Hey, why are you on your butts? Let's see something. Fall backwards.
That was an accident.
This is awesome. Look at that. See that? Do what he does. Just jump if you need to. There you go. Oh, geez. Yeah, boy.
Wait, we have to go down here.
We gotta go this way. Oh, someone's gonna get hurt. Someone's gonna get hurt here.
We're coming down this way. We have to go this way.
We're going this way.
Where are we going?
Oh my goodness. This is cool.
I'm gonna fall off that ledge.
We are idiots.
Let's go. Oh. No.
There goes Quinn. What? Holy smokes. He's nuts. He said he was going to do the we'll go back and forth thing, but I don't see him doing it. You are tearing it up.